Mga ano tao, natay mangga, kamates, fish, tofu, itlog na maalat. Yan. Then, ribs. Oh. Rib tips. Short ribs di ay na siya. Ngagi. Kuan. Gi-bake. Lami. Humok mo yung kayo. Lami kinamuton. Ay, ado. Kain nga. Fish, tofu. Mangga. Mangga. Kamatis. Butang na ludak. Dan itlog na maalat. Oh, butang na to dia. Kinamot enta. Itlog na maalat, ato na siyang lata-lataon. Lata-lataon ato siya sa kamatis with mangga. Lami. Di ba, lami ko sa lataon. Ang itlog, kay mo na siya asin niya. So, mangga. Giluod ang katanaw sa ako.
You can't miss. You can't miss with Dish. Upgrade and save $30 a month and get 3 months free.
Upgrade to Dish. Save up to $30 a month and get 3 months free. Like a relentless weed, moderate to severe Crohn's disease symptoms
Let me get it, guys.
coming back. Break away to what's possible with Tremfya. With rapid remission at 12 weeks and less bowel movements and abdominal pain at 4 weeks. Most patients achieve remission at 1 year, and some patients saw visible healing of the intestinal lining. Serious allergic reactions and increased risk of infections and liver problems may occur. Before treatment, your doctor should check you for infections and TB. Tell your doctor if you have an infection
Oil.
or if you need a vaccine.
Ang itlog.
It's possible with Tremfya.
Ang itlog na, oil.
Ask your doctor about Tremfya today.
Mangga.
There's nothing worse than losing your child before their time.
That's why I created Dr. Nature's Blend, designed to help dogs with everything from digestive issues to itching, even moving pain.
Nature's Blend works because
Lamig dito mangga nga aslom. Di man kayo aslom god.
they all get right into your dog's body.
Taken from a veterinarian with over 50 years of experience.
Apple mango man siya.
I have never seen a food make this much impact on a dog's health.
For a limited time, get up to 54% off Dr. Marty Nature's Blend, plus a free gift with our special TV offer. Call or go to drmarty.com/TV.
So, we really need to see your LDL-C come down more to lower your risk of another heart attack.
Dili.
We have to do more. Like what?
Matukan kas itlog.
Take my statin? Eat kale? I can tell you're trying, but there's a high chance you'll have another heart attack.
I don't want to go through that again.
What else can we do? Let's have a path.
Repatha plus a statin dramatically lowers LDL
Fish
by
tofu.
50% and drops the risk of having a heart attack by 27%. Do not take Repatha if you're allergic to it. Serious allergic reactions.
Lamig kayong fish tofu. Ay, mura rin siya ng shrimp. Ang lasa.
Trouble breathing or swallowing, swelling of the face, lips, tongue, throat, or arms. Common side effects include runny nose, sore throat, common cold symptoms, flu or flu-like symptoms, back pain, high blood sugar, and redness, pain, or bruising at the injection site.
So, I have your latest blood work here, and we did it. Your LDL-C came.
Basta mga Vietnamese,
Your heart, lower your LDL.
Korean, Chinese, ang tofu, lain-lain klases tofu, daghan ba?
Drugtime.com, we get people approved to buy our car fast. Then the deal you make on your phone is the deal you get at the dealership.
She already found the exact
Permit. Mangga.
This easy.
This is a commercial. Go get your real deal at drivetime.com.
Pod's biggest sale in history has been extended. Save up to 30% until June 9th and see why Pods is America's #1 container moving company. Whether you're relocating or renovating, save up to 30% at pods.com today.
Kato nga sa itlog ako nakaon kay akong sa hapon ako na siyang ibutang sa mangga na pud og pipino. May panihaponon.
Save on favorites like pork tender filet mignon, juicy chicken breast, sides, desserts, and more. Order now and get 8 of our famous burgers free. Visit omahasteaks.com/TV today to save 50% and get 8 free burgers for the best value under the sun. Just in time for Father's Day.
Lami pa ikaon pero sakto na to akong rice. Half cup raman.
Waiting in Colorado.
Mangwa na lang ta. Mag
Worked for Barnabas.
lanlan.
Always down with something.
Lanlan o karni. Ang salad.
He was carrying around a 21-foot
So?
tapeworm along with his business responsibilities.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
His wife
It's done.
Mhm.
things. I wasn't about to work for her. Well, I told her so.
Tanggal naman oh. Basta humok na matanggal na ginambukog sa uno. Ganun ko ani kadagan sa kanang murag plastic ko ba?
Pay up.
Hmm.
A man will never work for a woman unless he's got clabber.
You know what? What is the food that we're having cook?
Chicken.
Oxtail.
$25.
Not bad, he works with a drunkard.
Don't you then like upstairs?
You've done nothing when you bested a fool.
As long as the oxtail with a skin.
We'll come
Nice.
here about
But some of the oxtail has no
Yeah, we
skin.
got some upstairs. We call
We're
that
close to Ned Pepper's camp.
Mexican store.
Tomorrow we'll take you.
Naman dahil kong sa bakal daw sa taas. Malay ko. Coca-Cola. Zero sugar. Zero sugar but with aspartame. Ayan. Kamates. Kamates. Itlog maalat. Huruto na kung itlog na maalat. Ay, lamig man. Kauban sa kamates.
We're close to Ned Pepper's, you say. I don't think too much of making that fire.
Nobody asked you.
Mm.
We're going to
Kamatis o itlog na maalat.
Wash the sleep off of me, of course.
We got no water.
Mangga.
Well, we just take a drink. Let it go at that.
I'd say there's a stream down below there.
Ito pamahid.
You'll wash and you'll get no breakfast. We'll waste no more time.
Should one of us go down with her? Might not be safe.
We'll save her for her.
Kamatis oh.
Man or beast.
Itlog. Katong isa lami pag ito, itong itlog na itong century egg. Butang sa lugaw ba or congee. Busog ka na ako eh. Dali ko na busog ganan gud sa half cup nga rice. O wala ni rice dugay ka mabusog. Kamatis, nakapalit mo kamatis gana bag-o, nya crispy pa ba? Kamatis, mangga.
I know you, Little Molly, the bookkeeper.
And I know you, Tom Cheney.
Itlog na maalat.
There's no money for you to squeeze around here.
I came to fetch water.
That was not my meaning.
I'm here to take you back to Fort Smith and hang you.
And I think I will not go. Now, how do you like that?
Well, there's a posse of officers up the hill that'll force you to go.
How many officers?
I'd say right around 50. And they mean business. So you just walk right in front of me up that hill.
I think I'll oblige those officers to come after me.
If you refuse to go with me, I'll have to shoot you.
Not so. You better talk your piece.
Lami. Doon ko guding mangga. Wala pa man ko dito. Hiniwa na. Mangga. Ang panihapon ako, ano yun? Kanang kani, topo.
Free will.
Fish topo, pipino.
Just gotta follow it around.
O,
You will follow
fish topo, pipino o cheese. Blue cheese. Mga panihapon. Fish tofu, pipino, o cheese. So, more protein. Ka sa kong baka. Tunga lang. Busog mo ko. How many days did you eat now?
One.
Only one?
Yeah, you can eat another.
But he was trying to help you. You're just a piece of trash. You also killed us.
I will give only the one with the bones.
Sitting on a porch swing.
Everything happens to me. Now I'm shot by a child.
I'll shoot you again if you don't get up. My father took you in when you were hungry.
Oh, nakuha ko baka, pero ang nakuha na ko kana lang mga buto-buto bitaw guys, ngaro. Huh? Eh kani mo yang unod, dili ni siya unod mura bitaw plastiko, kani oh murag ugat ba. Kana ba, ganana ko ugat to. Nari yung bukog ibot ra. Umok. So kani ang ganahan mo elastiko. Lastiko. Nari yung lastiko.
Up the hill of the horses, no stop. Who all's out there?
Mr. Carver and 50 other officers. They're all armed and they mean business.
Tell me out loud, spoke in your head.
Sarap.
The truth was out there.
Kamates.
Mr. Carver and Pennsylvania.
Mangga. Wala si Umay, no?
Rooster to the enemy. Rooster to this girl. You know I'll do it. You want me to kill her? You do what you think is best, Dad. Ain't nothing to me.
Fish tofu na ako, dagan pa, mauna ako panihaponon doon. Fish na pa dito sa kalha. So pila ni kabuok to? 4, 6, 8, 9. Napa dito marag 7 kabuok. So mga 15 ka, mga hapit 20 na bilhin. Kahiwa.
There'll be a party of marshals coming through here pretty soon.
Tagan na nimo siya kuan.
You give me Tom Cheney, and I'll mislead him for 6 hours.
Slice ng kaag.
You can throw in that spit.
Cucumber. Tapos cheese.
Toothpick, Rooster, toothpick.
Feta cheese. Mauna. Panihapon mo. Lami.
You. You're
May rice sa gabi eh.
You better move.
Bye!